you seen such a smallest iPhone ever in your life? Then you are here on the right place because today Discount Buddies Shorts are presenting you the very little and a very tiny iPhone X. Yes, it's a very small sized iPhone that is almost of 1 inch sized, and it is probably hold it in hand very typically. It's just an antique. You can see there's also a MagSafe charger. There's also silicon wrapped, and similarly it is just like a real iPhone having some sort of adapters as well. I don't know why Apple have done this, but it's very amazing and antique piece. Friends, I hope you like this short. As you can see, the mobile phone is also turned on, so I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank